Today, we're diving deep into a topic that has puzzled and intrigued millions around the world: Bitcoin in 2025. While headlines often highlight its price swings and speculative value, there's a deeper story that most people aren't being told. Bitcoin is evolving, and its role in global finance, technology, and investment strategies is shifting faster than ever before. In this video, we'll explore the truth behind Bitcoin in 2025. We'll uncover what mainstream media might be missing, examine the technological developments driving its adoption, and analyze the economic factors that could shape its future. Whether you are a long-time investor, a crypto enthusiast, or simply curious about the future of digital money, this video will give you a comprehensive look at what's really happening with Bitcoin today. Sit back, stay focused, and let's uncover the truth about Bitcoin in 2025. The things nobody is talking about. 1. Bitcoin's evolution in 2025. Bitcoin has come a long way since its creation in 2009. What began as an experimental digital currency has grown into a global phenomenon, influencing markets, investments, and even government policies. By 2025, Bitcoin is no longer just a speculative asset. It is increasingly recognized as a form of digital gold, a store of value, and a hedge against traditional financial systems. Technological advancements, including Layer 2 scaling solutions and improved network efficiency, have strengthened Bitcoin's infrastructure. These changes reduce transaction costs, increase processing speed, and make the network more accessible to a broader audience. Bitcoin's evolution is not just about price. It's about becoming a resilient and functional part of the modern financial ecosystem. 2. Adoption trends around the world. In 2025, Bitcoin adoption is accelerating across both individuals and institutions. More businesses are accepting Bitcoin as payment, and large corporations are including it in their balance sheets. Countries with unstable fiat currencies are increasingly turning to Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation, providing citizens with an alternative form of financial security. Institutional investment has also surged, with hedge funds, mutual funds, and even some pension funds exploring Bitcoin exposure. This mainstream adoption is changing the narrative around Bitcoin from a niche digital asset to a recognized financial instrument. Awareness, accessibility, and integration into everyday commerce are fueling this transformation on a global scale. 3. The role of regulation. Regulation has always played a critical role in Bitcoin's story, and in 2025, it continues to shape its trajectory. Governments are balancing the need for consumer protection and financial oversight with the desire to support innovation and economic growth. Some countries are embracing Bitcoin by creating favorable frameworks, while others remain cautious or even restrictive. Understanding regulatory trends is crucial for investors and users alike. Compliance requirements, taxation policies, and legal frameworks influence everything from market liquidity to adoption rates. The truth is that regulation can either accelerate Bitcoin's growth or create hurdles, and being aware of these dynamics is essential for anyone involved in the ecosystem. 4. Technological developments driving Bitcoin. Bitcoin's underlying technology continues to evolve, making it more robust and efficient. Layer 2 solutions, such as the Lightning Network, enable faster and cheaper transactions, while improvements in security protocols make the network more resilient against attacks. These innovations not only enhance usability but also support greater adoption by businesses and individuals. As Bitcoin becomes more scalable and accessible, it transforms from a niche investment to a functional currency that can compete with traditional financial systems. The technological advancements of 2025 are laying the groundwork for widespread integration and long-term sustainability. 5. Economic implications of Bitcoin in 2025. Bitcoin's growing influence extends far beyond the crypto market. Its limited supply and decentralized nature make it an attractive hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. As global economic uncertainty continues, Bitcoin is increasingly viewed as a store of value, akin to digital gold. This economic role affects both investors and governments. On one hand, Bitcoin provides individuals with financial autonomy and protection against traditional market volatility. On the other hand, it challenges central banks and financial institutions to rethink monetary policy and control over currency. Understanding these implications is key to seeing the full picture of Bitcoin in 2025. 6. Common misconceptions about Bitcoin. Despite its prominence, many misconceptions about Bitcoin persist. Some believe it is only used for illicit transactions, ignoring its growing legitimacy in mainstream commerce. Others assume that it is too volatile or speculative to be a reliable investment, without considering its long-term store of value potential. Another common misconception is that Bitcoin is environmentally unsustainable. While energy consumption is significant, innovations in renewable mining and more efficient protocols are helping to mitigate these concerns. Understanding the reality behind these misconceptions is crucial for making informed decisions about Bitcoin. 7. The role of institutional investors. Institutional interest in Bitcoin is stronger than ever. Large investors recognize its potential as a hedge, a diversifier, and a long-term store of value. Banks, investment firms, and hedge funds are exploring ways to incorporate Bitcoin into portfolios, while financial products such as ETFs and futures are providing additional access points for traditional investors. This involvement brings legitimacy, stability, and credibility to the market. Institutional participation also has the effect of reducing volatility over time, making Bitcoin a more reliable asset for both retail and professional investors. The truth is that Bitcoin is no longer just a speculative playground for early adopters. It has become a key component of modern finance. 8. Potential risks and challenges. While Bitcoin's future is promising, it is not without risks. Regulatory uncertainty remains a concern, as governments may introduce policies that impact adoption or trading. Market volatility continues to be a factor, and investors must be prepared for sudden price fluctuations. Security risks, including hacking and loss of private keys, also remain important considerations. Additionally, the scalability of the network, while improving, still requires ongoing innovation to handle increasing transaction volumes. Understanding these challenges allows investors and users to approach Bitcoin strategically and cautiously. 9. Bitcoin's role in the future of money. Bitcoin in 2025 is shaping the future of money itself. Its decentralized nature challenges traditional financial systems and empowers individuals with greater control over their wealth. As adoption grows and technology improves, Bitcoin has the potential to function not only as a store of value, but also as a medium of exchange, a unit of account, and a platform for financial innovation. The integration of Bitcoin into global finance may redefine concepts of trust, transparency, and value. Governments, corporations, and individuals are all navigating this shift, and those who understand its potential will be best positioned to benefit from the ongoing evolution of digital money. 10. How to approach Bitcoin in 2025. For anyone interested in Bitcoin, the key is education and cautious engagement. Understanding the technology, market trends, and regulatory landscape is essential. Starting with small measured investments allows individuals to gain experience without taking excessive risk. Staying informed about new technological developments, institutional participation, and global adoption trends will provide valuable insights. Bitcoin is no longer just a speculative asset. It is part of a larger financial evolution that rewards knowledge, patience, and strategic thinking. And that wraps up our deep dive into the truth about Bitcoin in 2025. The realities that most people aren't talking about. We've explored its evolution, adoption trends, regulatory environment, technological developments, economic implications, misconceptions, institutional involvement, and how to approach it strategically. The future of Bitcoin is unfolding now, and understanding its trajectory is crucial for anyone looking to participate in this transformative financial revolution. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest crypto insights. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let us know how you see Bitcoin evolving in the year